Let's take a look at this example. What we can factorize from these three terms? I have n naught and n naught. So I'm going to have a naught, m naught, or n naught, and I have a or m inside of the parentheses. Now this is very interesting example. Why? You have to realize that if I'm going to use the De Morgan's theorem, I can convert this term into a or m naught, which is NOR gate, and I'm going to copy down everything whatever I did before. So I have a or m. You will see that I have NOR gate and I have OR gate. I have complements. They are complements. I can say this is my, for example, Q naught, and this is going to be my Q. So my expression, I'm going to make a little bit shorter, Q naught or N naught Q is equivalent to whatever I got at this point. Now, we said that anytime we have complements and one of them is ended with something else, that complement will drop out. That's why my solution is Q naught or N naught. Q naught or N naught, where Q naught is nothing else just A or M naught, or we can say A naught and M naught. So I can say this is going to be A naught, M naught, or N naught. This is my solution.